Hello everyone. In this video I will once again assemble a soldering iron from improvised materials. Moreover, this soldering iron according to its characteristics will be no worse than a regular store soldering iron with a power of 60 watts. To make it, you only need a couple of details and a little imagination. You can see all the details on the manufacture and testing of this soldering iron now in this video. To make such a soldering iron, you will need a minimum of details. A pen. I will use a bakelite pen from an old soldering iron. A powerful PEV resistor, that is, wire, enameled, moisture resistant. Such resistors can be found, for example, in old televisions. The copper sting. I made it from a copper core with a diameter of 4 mm. And also a couple of little things for connections. I used a cut bolt and a furniture mount. First of all, I will fix the mount in the handle of the future soldering iron. I picked it up in such a way that it was tightly fixed with a slight tension. Now I will fix the resistor on this stud. I cut the long resistance lead so that the whole structure was more compact. Now it is possible to fix the resistance on this stud, so that there is no backlash in the connection. I will wind a copper foil on the stud. Ready. It remains to fix the sting in the resistor. To keep the sting tight, I will also wind a copper foil on it. The soldering iron is almost ready. It remains to connect the terminals and connect the wires. The soldering iron is assembled. It took me about 10 minutes to make it, and now is the time to check its performance. The supply voltage for this resistor with a resistance of 5.1 ohms is 14 volts. This table shows which supply voltage is needed for a particular resistance. You can view or download this table in my Telegram channel. The link to the channel will be in the description below this video. Join us. After about 2 minutes, the process started. The soldering iron began to melt the rosin. A couple more minutes have passed and a homemade soldering iron from a resistor melts tin. The soldering iron has reached its operating temperature and now you can check it in operation. A homemade soldering iron made of a resistor works perfectly and its characteristics are no different from a conventional factory soldering iron. Well, as you can see, a homemade soldering iron from a resistor can rightfully be called a soldering iron. And this is where this video comes to its conclusion. In order not to miss the next video, click the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to receive notifications from my channel. I thank you for watching the video and bye.